What's going on, YouTube? Brandon True here. Thought I'd make a quick video. And again, I know this is mostly for a car channel, but if you're looking for extra storage in your closet for shoes or something, mostly for women, it'll work well for women. But we're doing a whole remodel. Anyways, I'll get to the point. But so we're doing a whole remodel. You can see I painted the cabinets. We're gonna do new countertops. We're gonna do a new tub, new shower. I'm actually going to make a shower. I'm going to keep that current shower head right there. And I'm going to go onto this side of the wall and have another shower head coming down. But we're going to do that here in a minute. But like I said, we're remodeling. So I figured my wife, sorry for the mess, leaves her shoes everywhere all the time. So I thought I'd bust into the wall. The wall looked like this originally. It looked like that. Just imagine where the mirror is. It just being a solid wall. So it was a solid wall, but I decided to build a nook in the wall for her shoes to get them out of the way. Just, you know, make a little extra storage in here. Might as well. I'm going to utilize this wall too. I actually don't want to say what it's for, just in case any of my subscribers are in Colorado. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Possibly. We'll see. But anyways, back to the point. I'm going to explain to you how to make a nook in your wall. And as you can see, here's the drywall that was originally right here or whatever. So what I did is I got a 1x8. You can get really whatever you want. So the studs are usually 12 feet or about a foot apart. These ones were probably a little bit further apart. I don't have my tape measure in here. But the studs go pretty much from here all the way to here. So what you're going to do is get a stud finder. Find a stud finder. You know, find the studs, mark them, cut the drywall out. What I did is I originally started in just like a spot, and I found the studs, and I went to the side of the stud. And the stud, like I said, the side of the stud's right here, and the side of the stud is right here. So I went, found it, cut out what size I wanted. This is $50 in lumber. That was it. So, like I said, I went and I got these boards, as you can see right here. I should have got bigger ones to go the whole length, but I didn't start with the studs. So if you start with the stud, you can go to Home Depot actually and get whatever size. Say it's 16 inches, you know, from stud to stud. They make boards 16 inches wide. So you can go get a board that's 16 inches wide, place it in there, cut it to your height. I went 60, so from the bottom to the top is 60 inches. And what's awesome is this 4x4 right here, or not 4x4, 1x4. This is a 1x4, 1x4 on the side, 1x4 on the top, 1x4 on the bottom. So all those are 1x4s. They fit in there perfectly. And then I just framed out the leftover drywall that was kind of messed up, you know. So you just frame it out. So originally, I'll just start from scratch. So cut out the drywall. As you can see, I cut it out. And then I got my board. I measured the height that I wanted. I put it in there. I didn't get a wide enough one, so I had to get, I kind of cut another part of that board. So, you know, I just cut it to size. You can do that. I mean, it's not a huge thing. If I really wanted to, I could get wood filler, and I could fill in here, and then sand it, and paint all this white, and you would never be able to tell. But it doesn't matter. It's up to you. Anyways, so yeah, that's what I did. Then what I should have done, but I didn't, is I should have framed, as you can see my board right here, the trim. I should have taken it over more and covered this, but I didn't. Oh well, you can do that. Easy thing to do. And again, it doesn't look horrible from where I'm standing. As you can see, that looks like a gap, but that's a shadow. So it's a shadow right there, not a gap, just to let you know. So anyways, yeah, so I got the boards up and back, got them up, got them to size. The thing with this drywall is, what's on the other side is drywall. I'll show you. Oh, hey, Moosey. Hey, Moosey. Athena, please stop licking. Hey, stop licking. So on the other side is a wall. I just wanted to show you that. So, you know, you can't nail those down into the wall. So what you're going to want to do is make your boards really tight on the sides. Sides are really, really tight. So I got the sides tight. Pressed them up really hard against there. They're really tight squeeze. You know, the board was like this, and then you hammer it in to make it really tight. So I did that, smacked it back, make sure it was all the way back, and then I shot it into the 2x4 with a nail gun, as you can see. So I did that on both sides. Then I did the bottom, and then I did the top. Same thing, make it really tight, hammer it in there, and it, you know, keeps it really tight, everything from moving. Shot some nails into it at an angle, because again, a 2x4 is behind all of this over here. It's a 2x4 right here. So I shot everything into it. It turned out great. Then, you know, you just frame it out, and that's the way you should do it. I framed it out first and then put everything else in. So I did the back, and then I framed it, and then I did the sides. But you can do it either way. I suggest doing back, sides, bottom, top, and then framing it. But yeah, so then you just want to get the shelves. These are 12 and a little bit over 5/8. I'm getting shoes, and I'm just, you know, doing this, gapping it to where she has some shoes. I'm doing all different sizes. So, you know, you just do that. So let's grab her. I want to find some decent sized shoes. Well, she has one of these. So this wouldn't fit. This one's like a little bit too big. It'll go great up here. But let's just grab these, since these will probably work. So I would just grab a pair of boots or something, a pair of shoes, like that. Make sure it fits. And then I will nail it down. And then I'll shoot some nails in the back. And on some of them I did put some supports in the back, as you can see right there, just for extra support in the back. Get a little block, shoot a nail into it. You can't see it, it doesn't matter, still looks good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, if you're looking for some closet space, because we just have a ton of shoes. I love shoes. As you can tell, my wife loves shoes. She's got even more shoes out here. So she just has so many that I'm trying to figure something out. Like these boots might fit. Well, maybe not. These are kind of... But I'm just trying to figure something out to where we can start. Yeah, they'll fit up here. Maybe I'll make one for like that. But like I said, I'm just trying to make extra space, trying to get the clutter picked up, because there's just so much going on in here. In all honesty, I probably should build another one. But you can build these pretty cheap. So I have some of the leftover lumber, as you can see right here. Here's one of the boards that's left over. So this would make a great left side piece like that in here. And then I'll just have to go get another one of those and a few more. So to build another one of these, it'd probably be 40 bucks, maybe 30 or 40 bucks. So if to build two of them, you're looking at about 80 bucks to make it 60 feet tall or 60 inches tall. I could have made it bigger. These boards were originally bigger. They would probably go from the bottom to like right here. So an extra foot, but she's not gonna be able to reach that. So I figured I'd cut it to a height that she could reach. And right there I had to stop because I think there might be a vent under there. So I might not even be able to build one on that side, but I'm going to figure something out because we just have a ton of shoes and I'm trying to find some storage and figure out a storage thing. So I just want to show you guys this, let you see what I built. Really easy, really cheap, especially if you're really limited on closet space. This is a great way to create space with what you have. Because like I said, all these walls are hollow inside. It's 2x4 inside. All the walls, they're spaced out. You know, like I said, I'm going to do this side for shoes probably too. We're just trying to get more space in our closet, and it's a disaster, and we're trying to get organized this year. So I just wanted to show you my little quick DIY project. You know, I bought the supplies by 3:30, and it's now like 5. Let's see. I bought them at 3:30, or I got home at 3:30. And yeah, I've been doing the video for about 10 minutes. So you go back 10 minutes. I got done about 5, and I didn't even think about doing the video until even later. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the video. Show you a quick project to do. If you watch the channel, sorry for this video. Again, like I always say, if I post something about a home video or something do it yourself kind of video, I'll post 2 car videos. So once I get this uploaded, stay tuned for 2 car videos to come up. If you haven't checked out my channel, check it out. I've done, oh, I need to put that nail in there. I've done lots of videos on lots of different things. I need to upload a video on this railing. I can kind of show you really fast some of the things I've done in my house. I made this custom railing right here. As you can see, it's modern, it's up to date, and this was $100 to do right here. I did a wood wall downstairs. Let me just show you some of those really fast. I built this barn door myself. Hey, Gracie Grace. My parents are actually living with me right now. They're getting their own house. But yeah, I built this barn door myself. This is about 50 bucks. There's a video on that. This rail kit right here was 50 bucks. So the kits at Home Depot are roughly around, you know, $500. This is less than $100 for this entire door, as you can see. I did this custom wall myself. Let me see if I can get some light in here. There we go. I did this wall myself. I built the wall by myself completely, and then I did a stained wood wall. So yeah, if you're curious on how to do some of these, stay tuned. Check out my channel. I do a lot of this myself. Athena, go upstairs. I really fight paying people money to do stuff, so I don't pay. And actually, like, one of the other projects I did, but I do not have any video on it, is I built a bathroom. There's a bathroom on the other side of that wall from scratch, completely from scratch. So yeah, like I said, I didn't make a video on that, but I do a lot of things myself. So if you like doing home improvement stuff, check out my channel. Stay tuned for more. You know, I always am doing something in my house. We redid all the floors ourselves, the tile over there ourselves, painted everything. Everything's custom. Again, I always like doing custom things, so here's some lights that I put up there, you know, to give it like an illusion. It's nice when it's dark out. Change the color, all sorts of different colors and stuff. So yeah, just stay tuned. And again, I know this is mostly a car channel, so sorry for all the car people. I have a lot more videos coming up on all 5 of those cars. The GTR, the Challenger, the Nitro, the truck, the Mini Coupe, and the Kawasaki, and the dirt bike. So yeah, just stay tuned. I hope you found this video helpful. Sorry for rambling on, especially if you're just trying to do the closet thing. Sorry about that. The video's over. You can just exit out. If you found it helpful though, please like, subscribe, follow me. Leave any comments if you have any questions, concerns, or if you just like how it turned out, or anything, just comment. I hope you have a good day. This is Brandon Lechuga. Thank you.